Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Seon-ho and IU's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of a YouTube subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Kim Seon-ho and IU. I hope you don't have any other misunderstanding because this analysis only saw the fortune harmony. And in the previous other analysis, I gave the analysis score considering the age difference. But now, I will analyze it only by looking at the fortune structure. Thank you for saying that there is no problem with age difference. Let's analyze it now. Kim Seon-ho is the sea. IU is a candle. Two letters from a union when they meet. It's a very good meeting. Once they meet, they become good friends. And just below the letters that point to themselves is their perception of their spouse. Kim Seon-ho wants a friend. IU wants to lead him. There's a slight difference here. However, IU's character refers to her spouse's position as a previous precious character. So she will play a good role no matter who she meets. But there is a twist in the story of a spouse. What is it? Let's take a look at the next picture. The letters marked with pink hearts are their real spouses, but all of them are in conflict with the letters that mean their spouses and themselves. So their spouse must be smart enough to do their part, which means there is some conflict in their relationship. But conflicts are not necessarily bad. There are couples who make a comfortable relationship with each other, and there are couples who give good advice or are busy with each other, so they can meet only occasionally. Perhaps I can imagine a couple who give advice and sometimes clash with each other in a busy relationship. But the good thing about photography is that they are all getting energy to the person who's their spouse. It means that each of them is good to their spouse. They can't be nice to them if they are on bad terms, right? This is a picture that explains a little more about the previous picture. Kim Seon-ho shows his artistry and builds up his wealth, which is a good structure in which his activities are immediately realized. He is full of confidence. Having a lot of energy, like himself, means that he is talented in modeling, exercising, and dancing because he has high physical activity intelligence. Kim Seon-ho's body movements will be very nice during his acting activities, and he has a strong entrepreneur disposition. IU has the same energy as herself. Physical activity energy can also be used for pride and drive. IU is a candle, and there are two candles side by side. It is reminiscent of staying up all night thinking about this and that. And IU has no energy for artistic activities, but she is very good at value judgment. That is wealth. This energy also affects spatial intelligence, mathematical intelligence, and musical intelligence, which mainly gives her talent for composition and design. I think it's IU's talent that gives her musical skills. Kim Seon-ho and IU have a combination of letters pointing to themselves, and also have the energy to be nice to their spouses. However, time information may have child energy, but all of them have no child energy in the year, month, and day information. and each other's ego is too strong. I will give them 87% because the good things and the bad things coexist. I think this is a good score too. I wish both of them good luck and good health. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.